This is an update on Raincat. Um, she took her medicine. She takes her medicine really good, but today she has barely drank any water and she hasn't eaten any food at all. So I'm not sure what to think. And I don't know why. This is a steamer that I steam my clothes with, my uniform. And she likes to drink out of that. I don't know why, but I just keep filling it up and letting her do what she wants to do. It's kind of crazy, but Momo, I think the swelling has gone down somewhat on her front canine tooth on the right side of her face. But you see how puffy her back jaw is right here. This is where the tumor is. But it worries me that she doesn't have an appetite. And it really worries me that she hasn't drank any water today, because she usually drinks a ton of water. So I'm not sure what to think. Poor girl. She's an old girl. I think 84 in cat years. Momo, you not feeling good today? Well, and the weather is probably not helping. It's like kind of rainy here. Not pouring rain or anything, but it's cloudy, and makes you have more arthritis and more pain for us older girls anyway. But anyway, I just don't know what to think, but she's not doing too good so far today. So I just thought I'd give you a little update. All right. I'll give another update maybe tomorrow. Okay, because it's just kind of touch and go right now, I feel. Okay, guys, see you on the next one. Bye-bye.